Welcome to one and all. I extend my warm greetings to everyone who joined us in the webinar. We will discuss on the topic the ultimate field service management software, unlock the full potential of your team and technology. This topic applies to all service-based industries. Let me introduce myself. I'm Hemalata. I'm a Senior Business Development Executive from Innomaint CMMS, and I will be your host for the day. The following would be the agenda for the session. The first one, I will provide a detailed introduction to FSM software and explain why it's crucial in today's service industry. Next, we will see the challenges that field service organizations commonly face in the day-to-day routine. Next, I will highlight its usefulness for field service organization. Then, I will explain technique to overcome challenges to the organization using FSM software. Then we will discuss how FSM software benefits for the management, customers and field technicians. Then we will take a look at the features of FSM software. In the next section, we will discuss the latest trends and innovations in the FSM software. Then I will guide you on consideration when evaluating FSM software for your organization. Then we move on to the practical demonstration and will give you a hands-on experience of how FSM software works and its potential impact on your operation. Then we will share real-world example of how FSM software has made a difference in servicing organization. So without any further delay, let's start with the introduction. In the service industries, as you all know, customers are the heart of everything we do, right? They are the primary recipients and beneficiaries of our work. But to truly serve them efficiently, we need productivity field work that optimizes time and resources. So, the system that improves the effectiveness and efficiency of our operation while reducing the turnaround time and cost. That is the most important thing, I hope. Now, let's talk about the challenges that field service organization commonly face. So, we face many issues in the day-to-day routine using manual process such as a poor customer coordination and shortage of skilled workforce, etc. So these are just a few common problems in the field service sector. We will go into detail. So text call or text customer to provide ETA. Like technician often have to call or text customer to provide estimated time arrival, which leads to communicate the delays. Scheduling conflict. So the two different service bookings may occur concurrently on your field service representative calendar. If it happens frequently, it could pose an essential threat to your field service business and you need to remedy. So frequent conflict could result in reputational damage or increased frustration among field service reps. Work duplication. You tend to create duplicate work order that waste time and resources. Weak route plans. So without knowing the route plan, your techs might have taken roundabout routes and they can miss the appointments and deliver the delayed services. Then, the frequent contact with back office staff for scheduling or update can disrupt workflow and make the customer feel helpless. Then, revisiting a site to fix the same issue is inefficient and costly, leaving the customers should be dissatisfied. Then, the customer couldn't raise instant service request and connect quickly to support admin, which bothered them. Then, service history and codes are often inaccessible to technician from customer premises. Organizations have insufficient visibility of tech availability and workload, so they can have trouble to assigning the daily task. So the technicians are not always up to date on spare parts availability, delaying fixes and causing frequent visits to the offices. So these are the challenges the field service organization faces commonly. Now let's take a look into a survey by Field Technologies. So here 72% of field service organization still use manual methods for scheduling and dispatching. Only 28% of field service organization use the latest technology to optimize their service teams. Now it's time for you to be among that 28% and win your service business market. So next, why should you consider FSM software as a solution? So here the position and grow in the diversified marketplace means identifying and targeting the different segment of the market with specific product or services that cater to their unique needs and preference. So using this FSM software, you can optimize your route, you can navigate your GPS location, and you can get the updates of the job status, and you can able to create the scheduling and etc. So based on this FSM software, you can streamline your field operation and you can get the improved efficiency and job satisfaction rate. So there will be the cost cutting for profit margin. It refers finding the way to decrease the expense in order to increase the profits. So the above factors make everyone adopt the FSM software to optimize the field service operations. Now let's dive into how FSM software addresses these challenges effectively. Using effective FSM software, customer can track the service technicians in real time using the GPS location tracking feature. And you can have the double booking and unbalanced shift distribution have become a thing of the past. So with the help of FSM software, you can have a clear picture of maintenance schedules and tech availability. You can manage the data in the centralized storage for quick information retrieval and work order creation. Ensure technicians take the most efficient routes to minimize travel time and cost while maximizing the number of service requests. Technician can view the previous service history using Solution Bank and resolve the issue on the first visit, which improves the first time fixed rate called as an FTFR and enhance the customer satisfaction. So the resource scheduling and allocations. So the efficiently assigning the right technician with appropriate skills and equipment to your job can be complex and challenging. Now let's see the benefits of FSM software for customers. According to Aberdeen Group study, so company using FSM software see 19% increase in first time fixed rate and 16% increase in service revenue. So it's proven strategy. Customer can know the tentative arrival time of techs through the solution and they can able to control their schedules. Customer can be aware of field tech locations at any time instant, so the time and business are valued. Then the benefits of field service technician. Yes, the field service technician also have the significant advantages. Technician can get a clear picture of work instruction and communicate clearly with the customer. Then the technicians can improve their safety and reduce the number of customer calls. Technicians can view the real-time insights on optimal route and view data on previous service history. Now we are going to see like a benefits for field service organization. For field service organization, the benefits are extensive. So here, improved mean time to service. So using the geofencing system, the dispatcher can assign the service request to nearest available technician so that the technician arrive at the customer location on time for best customer satisfaction. Enhanced visibility and communication for blended workforce. So with FSM software, you can see the real-time availability of tech for the job. It is like having a complete overview of the workforce availability at your fingertips. Increased technician productivity. Using FSM software, you can eliminate the paperwork. You can monitor the spare part stock at the customer location. You can work in the offline mode and synchronize the data while online. The application will do this automatically for you. You can monitor the service history and communicate clearly and effectively to increase the productivity. To achieve these benefits, FSM software offers a range of features including work order management. So here the work order management allow you to efficiently create, assign and track the work orders, and it helps streamline the process of task assignment to field technicians, ensure prompt task redressal. Second one, scheduling and dispatching. You can optimize your workforce schedules. This feature ensures that the right technician is assigned to the right job at the right time, so reducing the delays and improving the efficiency. Third one, mobile app for all. So it allows the technicians or supervisor or executive or any other user role to access the work order and update the job status and communicate with the office while on the go. Then the spare parts inventory management. So here it helps you keep track of your inventory, ensure that genuine parts are available when needed, and you can minimizing your downtime here. Quotes and estimate. So here it enables the text to provide pricing information and detailed estimates to customers quickly for service requests. Route optimization. Here you are going to ensure the technician take the most efficient route to minimize the travel time and cost while maximizing the number of service requests. Then digital invoicing. Here you are going to eliminate the need for paper invoice and streamlines the billing process. It lets you generate and send invoices digitally, improving accuracy and reducing the administrative overhead. Then we are going to see like a reports and dashboard. Offer insight into your field service operations. You can track key performance indicators, monitor technician productivity and make data driven decisions. The last, you have the integration. FSM software can able to integrate with other tools and systems you may be using, such as CRM, like a customer relationship management software or any accounting software. This integration ensures smooth data flow between different parts of your organization. What next for FSM software? Let's explore the emerging trends. Recently, we are target and take survey on decision makers identify these top priorities. 67% faster response time, 58% enhanced remote service option, 42% detailed condition and performance asset data. As with any industry, keeping up with the latest innovation is challenging, but it is necessary to maintain competitive positioning. So you have digitization is increasing with the rising number of internet connected devices. So you have a more work from anywhere scenario and need for flexibility. Field service management continues to adapt to ever changing landscape and technologies. So we will see like a big data. So big data, the data collection, analysis and reporting helps streamline your field service management, and you have the internal department structure and procedures. Accurate costing and work order management will allow your accounting department to provide timely and complete invoice. Then the strategic automation. So here the field service management automate includes work order management, scheduling and report. So the employees and customers and decision makers will have access to insightful information. The third one, like a predictive maintenance. So here a field service management plan can establish process and algorithm that generate the predictions based on the internet connected device like a reporting data. This information leads to proactively schedule field service to perform maintenance on site before hardware fails or a safety issues arises. The last, you can have the virtual and augmented reality, like AI empowers field service management tools with the power to make smart decisions with minimal human interaction. So the AI is useful for proper task matching and automatic scheduling, and you can have the giving customers the best experience possible. When evaluating FSM software solution, consider the following: integrated solutions to avoid unnecessarily complexity, easy deployment and adoption for all end users, scalability and adaptability to changing the landscape, and you have the compatibility with blended workforce. Then now we are going to see like an live app demo here. So this should be as an our Innomaint portal. So here there are all the modules will be represented here. We are going to see each and every module detailed over here. The first one should be as a dashboard. I come dashboard lastly after I completing those modules. Here you can able to see like an asset maintenance. Here you can able to configure all the asset which you are going to be handled. So here there will be the two type of adding the asset. One, you are going to be add the asset in the manual basis, and another one should be as in bulk upload option is here. You can just download this Excel sheet. You can enter the mandatory fields and you can upload it. Once you have uploaded, it will be displayed one by one like this. I'm just editing one of the facility based assets like cleaning services. So I'm just clicking the facility over here. So below that you can see like in category, asset name and the asset model. It should be as in facility name and the facility model. You can just mention all those things, and you can have the options like in documents like a facility IDs and the schedule. So here you can able to upload the document which you are guiding your service engineers, so that will be displayed with your mobile application. And this should be as in facility ID. So what are the facilities if you are having, you can create the multiple facility ID over here. So based on that you can able to create the schedules here. So here you can able to see like a two type of work order. The one should be like a planned preventive schedule creations, like you can able to plan it previously and you can assign that schedule to the particular service engineer to track the entire thing. The second option should be as an immediate ticket raising. So the customer can able to raise the ticket with your own place, and you have received the notifications with this portal. So you are going to be assign this task to the particular service engineer to complete the task. So these are the main thing in like a planned preventive, and the second one should be as a breakdown under the work order category. Now you are going to see like a schedule creations, how you are going to create the schedules. Like here you can able to create the schedule like a monthly wise or yearly wise or quarterly basis or bi-monthly basis. You can define it over through this Innomaint portal. Now I'm just editing like a monthly schedules over here. So here I'm just mentioning like a schedule name and the priority of the schedule and the schedule based on what, and below that you can see like a frequency of monthly or weekly or yearly. You can just define it over here. Under that you can see like an inspection task. So here you can define the task item which the service engineer is going to do the task in the customer place. So everything you can fill it out, and you just come back with an asset maintenance here, and here you can have the options like in list view. Under the list view, we are going to have the multiple facility ID. Under that you can have the options like in schedule. So here you are going to be trigger the date and time, and you are initiated. So what time, what date if you are initiated, automatically if you go with the monthly schedule means the next month you can able to receive the notification to complete this work order. So once you have initiated and so you are completed with the assigning process. So you are going with the assigning here, you are assigning your service engineers and you can submit on it. Once you are submitted, automatically the service engineer will receive the notification with your mobile application to start the task. So this is the entire part of the planned preventive schedule. Once you are created, once you are initiated, once you are assigned it, just come back and you can track those things under work order in the preventive stage. In the preventive, you can able to see like a new, in progress, overdue, upcoming and closed. So you can able to track once you are initiated and once you are assigned it comes under the new stage. Once the technician was started, it moves on to the in progress stage. Once everything was completed, it moves on to the closed stage. In the closed stage, you can have the report like this, like a PM service report, like an individual report. Your company logo and the address and the customer details, request information, asset details, and what maintenance if you are doing, the check items which are assigned to the technician, and what are the actions should be done from the service technician, that will be assigned over here with your commands over here. and you can take the before task and after task here. Below that you can see like whom attended and what are the tasks, if you are whether the task should be completed or not, and you can have the contact number of the particular service technicians and their remark. So below that you can see like a check-in time and check-out time. Total checkout comments should be given from the service engineer, that will be displayed over here, and total consumed time. So these are the entire planned preventive service report. Now I'm just showing the mobile view of the technicians who receive the PPM schedules. So this is the mobile view. So you can able to see like technician mobile name, like a technician name. Below that you can have the two tab. One should be as a schedule tab, another should be as a ticket tab. So if you are checking like the schedule, under the schedule you can see like how many new, how many in progress, and how many overdue. And below that you can see like a total calendar view. Under the calendar, if you are clicking any dates, so in particular date what are the tasks, if you are assigning everything, you can able to see it. So below that you can see like task thing. So the technician can able to accept or reject the task. If they are rejecting, they can give the mention the commands why they are rejecting. If they are accepting, they can directly move to the start task. So now they are moved to the start task, and after they are starting the task, they can able to check in that particular work order. So once they are check in, automatically the date and time will be captured, so they can start the schedule. Once they have started the schedule, what are the check items if you are assigning to the technician, that will be displayed over here. The technician was completed the task, and they can mention their commands through the mobile applications like this. So if any problem they are identified, they can enable that problem identified, and they can give the commands. So automatically it's move on to the corrective maintenance. Once the task was completed, so they can have any commands on it, they can click mention the commands, and they can submit the work order. So once they are submitted everything, this report will be generated. So this is the entire for the planned preventive. And this should be as in breakdown ticket raising. The customer can able to raise the ticket, like there will be two way of raising the ticket. One should be scan the QR code and they can raise the ticket. Otherwise they can go with an asset ID. They are just to click the asset ID, the remaining fields will be fetched. They can only mention the status of the asset, what defect they are found, and ticket severity, and if any description is there, they can mention it. Below that they have the options to add the images. They can take the photograph and they can attach it while they are raising the ticket. So once they are raising, it will becomes in the new stage. And what you have done in the preventive, the same thing, you are going to be assign this ticket to the particular service engineer, and you can able to track it, and you can see the closed stage with the individual report like this. So this is the individual report of the breakdown service report. So apart from this, we have the options like in customer module. In the customer module, you can able to upload all the customers over here. Based on the customers, you can map your user as well as the asset over here. And we have the hierarchy to be upload the customers in the building wise, floor wise, room wise, and the location wise over here. After that, we can having the options like in AMC management. In the AMC management, you can able to mention the AMC customers separately, and you can define this AMC customers, and you can assign this customer to the particular service engineer, and you can able to track the entire part in the AMC management module. After that, we can have the options like in report categories. There will be the multiple reports. So based on the your thoughts, you can able to download this report in the Excel or the PDF format. So the schedule wise, ticket wise, everything. And you can have the options like an asset report, and you can have the feedback report. You got it from the customer side, and you can have the contract status report. How many AMC is there? How many is live? How many expired? You can able to track it based on the warranty also. And you can have the called report. So if any AMC customers having any additional requirement or additional work they are asking, so you are going with the customer place, and you can do the work. So that the entire part should be comes in the called report. And this should be as an attendance report. In the attendance report, you can able to see like where the technician was traveled, like their technician role, technician name, their contact number, email ID, and you can see like where they are punching, where they are punch out, and where they are punching location, and where they are punch out locations. And total available hours they are traveling. While you are clicking this total distance, you can see the travel images, like from which location to which location they was traveling. You can able to see it over here. So like this, you can able to track it over here. So apart from this, we are having a basic setups to be configured this application as per your wish. So we are having a user role here. So we are having the predefined user role is here. Based on the privileges, we are defining it over here. Apart from this, you can have the users, you can able to upload your users over here. They can receive the if you are configure the user with unique email ID, they can receive that email activations to get the password. So once they are setting the password, it moves to the inactive stage, otherwise it shows in the waiting for the activations. So this should be as an user group. So you can define the group like an electrical group or mechanical group or plumbing group. Based on the group, you can map your users over here while you are creating the ticket, or while you are assigning the ticket to the particular technicians. This will helpful you to assign it on it. So these are the services you can able to define it, whether that should be as an hot service or soft service. Based on that, you can create the service package over here. And this should be as an SLA breakdown ticket. So you can define the breakdowns tickets for all the SLAs over here. And this should be as a reminder and escalation for all the contract and compliances. And this should be as in contract compliance mandatory document should be submitted from the technician wise, service contractor wise and customer wise over here. The last you can able to see like a basic setup. So you can upload your organization logo. This will be applicable for all the reports in the applications. And here you can enable all the notifications like email notification, mobile app notifications, and whom they can receive the notifications, for what are the purpose they are going to receive the notification. Everything you can define it over in the actions and notifications. And this should be as in holidays. You can define your holidays over here. Based on the holidays, you can't able to raise any PPM schedules through this Innomaint applications. So the above you can able to see like a map view. In the map view, you can see like track the user where they are. And this should be as in calendar and the scheduler part. If you go with the calendar part, the 52 weeks calendar will be displayed over here based on the equipment wise, schedule wise, ticket wise. You can able to track it. If you go with the scheduler part, the technician wise, you can able to track it today. What are the work order they are having, everything you can able to check on it. Now I'm just come back with the dashboard here. So in the dashboard, you can able to see like preventive and breakdowns and everything. Based on this, you can able to see like asset status also, and AMC callouts, and below you can see like preventive schedules versus assigned, and the key performance indicators will be defined over here. And below you can see the people indicators, how they are responding, how they are resolving, whether they are traveling from one place to another place for on-time arrival, they are have the fixed issues in the first time, technicians performance ratings, and if they are facing any repeated problems again and again more than 3 times, that will be displayed in the dashboard. You can sort it out easily. And these are the complete dashboard over here. So I hope you can aware of the application demos. Now let's dive into real life customer success story to see how FSM software has made a difference. First, we have Majus Technology Service LLC. So, Majus Technology Service LLC from Oman has evolved into multi-sector powerhouse serving industry such as oil and gas, and they having the energy, fire and security infrastructure, transportation and HVAC too. So they are having the problem statement that it was a pain to track the maintenance schedules for the various grid station from the paper. So they are managing all the AMC and warranty through the Excel sheet. So these are the challenges they are facing in their industry. So now the Innomaint offer the solution like they can streamline its hard service under the warranty service package, and it was instantly accessible when needed. So they can have the simplify the process of identifying covered service and parts. So Innomaint improved the management of annual maintenance contract, which enhanced their financial security by reducing the risk of revenue loss due to missed contract renewal or the payments. So, and you can see the result as follows, like a 5% increased response time and 90% work management from the palms on your hand. Next we have a EESAL from Iraq. So this is as an elevator engineering company representing Shahoi Mitsubishi Elevator Co. and Limited. They faced several operation challenges that needed effectiveness of solution. The problem faced by EESAL is, as an elevator engineering company, they need better visibility into their field operations, right? So here the technicians often found themselves working in location with poor or no network connectivity. So this made it difficult to access critical information, update job status or communicate with the central office. They faced difficulties in managing the AMC contracts effectively. The solutions provided by Innomaint. Innomaint provide an easy way to track and manage AMC payment, reducing the risk of revenue loss due to missed payments. Innomaint geolocation tracking feature enabled by EESAL to know the exact location of the technician. Even in areas with a poor network connectivity, the Innomaint offered detailed spare usage report, helping EESAL optimize their spare parts inventory. At last, the result are remarkable and as follows, like 5% quicker spare dispatch and 60% improvement in FTFR and MTBF. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out to us. You can connect us using the details below. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the power of field service management software. We hope you are now better equipped to unlock the full potential of your team and technologies. Have a great day.